What was the first domesticated animal by humans? A. Dog. B. Cow. C. Sheep. Correct answer is a dog. Which Indian state is known as the land of temples? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. What is the average lifespan of a goat? A. 5 to 6 years. B. 8 to 12 years. C. 15 to 20 years. Correct answer is B. 8 to 12 years. Which wonder of the world is located in Agra? A. Agra Fort. B. Taj Mahal. C. Fatehpur Sikri. Correct answer is B. Taj Mahal. Which country has the most Olympic medals in history? A. China. B. USA. C. Russia. Correct answer is B. USA. Which country is the largest producer of cardamom in the world? A. India. B. Guatemala. C. Indonesia. Correct answer is B. Guatemala. Who is considered the father of Kabaddi? A. Vivekanand. B. Prof. Sundar Ram. C. Dhyan Chand. Correct answer is B. Prof. Sundar Ram. Which is the largest port in India? A. Mundra Port. B. Mumbai Port. C. Kolkata Port. Correct answer is A. Mundra Port. Which city is known as the City of Palaces? A. Jaipur. B. Hyderabad. C. Udaipur. Correct answer is A. Jaipur. How many medals did India win in the 2000 Olympics? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. Correct answer is A. 1. Which country is known as the land of water? A. Finland. B. Netherlands. C. Maldives. Correct answer is A. Finland. Which animal never drinks water? A. Camel. B. Kangaroo rat. C. Squirrel. Correct answer is B. Kangaroo rat. Which fish can fly in the air? A. Flying fish. B. Tuna fish. C. Jellyfish. Correct answer is A. Flying fish. How often are the Olympic Games held? A. Every 2 years. B. Every 3 years. C. Every 4 years. Correct answer is C. Every 4 years. Which country has the most gold in the world? A. India. B. USA. C. China. Correct answer is B. USA. Which country produces the most coffee in the world? A. India. B. Brazil. C. Vietnam. Correct answer is B. Brazil. How many colors of medals are awarded in the Olympics? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. Correct answer is B. 3. Which bird cannot fly despite having wings? A. Pigeon. B. Ostrich. C. Parrot. Correct answer is B. Ostrich. Where was Gautam Buddha born? A. Bodh Gaya. B. Lumbini. C. Kushinagar. Correct answer is B. Lumbini. Which state does Neeraj Chopra belong to? A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Haryana.